try and keep your board longer, be better for the environment. The other thing is if you get a board wired, you surf better.
Right.
You know, become your magic board.
Shines down upon my face. I sing my song, it can't be wrong. Today I'm red, I am gold, I am green, baby, I am bold. I'll always be me and I'll always be new.
The roots of surfing, that's the essence of surfing. It's picking your favorite shaper, have them make a custom board for your personal likings, and it's just like a tailored suit, you know?
Today I'm red, I am gold, I am green.